Imagine this. You are sitting in an interview. The interviewer looks at you and asks a simple question. Tell me about yourself. Your mind goes blank. You know the words. You studied grammar for years. You passed exams, but still you can't speak. Your heart starts beating fast. Your hands feel cold. And in that moment, you feel something painful. I am not good enough. Now listen carefully. What if I tell you, the problem is not your grammar? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. And in this video, I'm going to prove it to you. Not just that. I'll show you exactly how to speak English without focusing on grammar, step by step. And by the end of this video, you will feel confident enough to start speaking today. Let's begin. All your life, you were told one thing. Learn grammar first, then you will speak English. So what did you do? You memorized rules. Tenses, structures, formulas, present perfect, past continuous, future perfect. But let me ask you something. Did it help you speak?
No.
Because grammar does not create speech. Think about this. Did you learn your first language with grammar? Did a child learn like this? Today I will study present tense, then I will speak to my mother.
No.
A child listens,
And speaks.
Broken sentences are wrong words, mistakes,
But they speak.
and slowly they improve. So the truth is simple. Backhand index pointing right speaking comes first. Backhand index pointing right grammar comes later. If you wait for perfect grammar, you will never speak. Let's understand your real problem. It's not grammar. It's this. 1. You translate in your head. 2. You are afraid of mistakes. 3. You don't practice speaking. Imagine this. You want to say, I went to the market yesterday. But in your mind, you first think in Urdu, then translate to English, then check grammar, then speak. By that time, the moment is gone. This is why you feel slow. This is why you panic. This is why you stay silent. But today, we change that. From today, follow this rule. Backhand index pointing right, don't learn grammar. Backhand index pointing right, learn patterns. Yes, patterns. Instead of learning subject plus verb plus object, just learn real sentences. For example, I like coffee. I like tea. I like this place. You are not learning grammar. You are learning patterns. And your brain loves patterns. That's how fluency is built. This is the most powerful step. Start thinking in English.
Right now.
Look around you. Say in your mind, this is my room. I am sitting on a chair. I am watching this video. Simple sentences. No grammar thinking. Just expression. At first, it will feel strange. But slowly your brain will adapt. And one day, you will stop translating. That is the moment fluency begins. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You need courage. Stand in front of a mirror.
And speak.
Yes, today I will practice English. Talk about your day. I woke up at 8 a.m. I ate breakfast. I am learning English. At first, you will feel awkward. But that's okay. Growth always feels uncomfortable. Record yourself. Listen. Improve. Repeat. This is how confidence is built. Stop trying to speak big sentences. Big sentences create fear. Start small. Instead of, I would like to express my opinion regarding this topic. Just say, I think this is good. Simple.
Clear.
Effective. Fluency is not about complexity. It's about clarity. This is the hardest part. You must accept mistakes. Let me tell you something powerful. Even fluent speakers make mistakes, but they don't stop. They keep speaking. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is communication. So speak, even if it's wrong, because every mistake is one step closer to fluency. Imagine yourself again. Same interview, same question. Tell me about yourself. But this time, you smile, you take a breath, and you say, my name is Hassan. I am learning and improving every day. I may not be perfect, but I can communicate. And that confidence changes everything. So remember, you don't need grammar to start speaking. You need heavy checkmark practice, heavy checkmark confidence, heavy checkmark consistency. Start today. Speak today. Because the only thing stopping you is you. And once you break that fear, nothing can stop you. Now go
and speak.